students. Now story is going to become very interesting. Let us continue it. These travelers, for example, Tin Woodman, Scarecrow, Dorothy, and her dog Toto, they found a forest very thick on this side, and it looked dark and gloomy. Gloomy means what here? Depressing. After the lion had rested, they started along the road of yellow brick, silently wondering, each in his own mind, if ever they would come to the end of the woods. Woods means what here? Forest really, and reach the bright sunshine again. To add to their discomfort, they were not comfortable. Means already they are facing certain day. It is dark. They are walking through the forest, woods, and reach the bright sunshine again. To add to their discomfort, they soon heard strange noises. Means this is adventurous story. That is because that's why here the writer uses this twist in the story. Again, strange noises in the depths of the forest. And the lion whispered. Whispered means started to talk with very low voice to them that it was his part of the country that Kalidas lived. Means here new characters have been introduced. Now we will see who are Kalidas. What are Kalidas? Asked the girl. They are monstrous beasts. Monstrous means what? Very threatening. They are monstrous, imaginary monsters which are large and frightful. They are not real. With bodies like bears and heads like tigers, replied the lion, and with claws so long and sharp that they could tear me in two as easily as I could kill Toto. I am terribly afraid of the Kalidas. And lion himself agreed that he is afraid of Kalidas, that monstrous beast. I am not surprised that you are, returned Dorothy. They must be this dreadful beast, threatening beast. The lion was about to reply when suddenly they came to another gulf. Gulf means what? Deep opening across the road. But this one was so broad and deep that the lion knew at once he could not leap across it. That leap means he could not jump over it. So they sat down to consider what they should do. And after serious thought, the scarecrow said, "Here is a great tree standing close to a ditch." Means whenever the dangerous situation comes, if someone suggests the idea, the work becomes easy. If the Tin Woodman can chop it down so that it will fall to the other side, we can walk across it easily. That's a first-rate idea. What do you mean by first-rate, students? Excellent idea, said the lion. One would almost suspect you had brains in your head instead of straw. The woodman set to work at once, and so sharp was his axe. Means he could cut that tree easily. That was soon chopped nearly to. Then the lion put his strong front legs against the tree and pushed with all his might strength, and slowly the big tree tipped and fell with a crash across the ditch with its top branches on the other side. Means they could easily cross over the ditch.